So over here, you can see that I have the list of names of Google Docs applications. So what I want to do is turn them into a bulleted or a numbered list. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to select these list objects out. And then what you can do is you can go on right here on the top, where you can see that there's numbered list as an option and there's bulleted list. Once you click on bulleted list, you can see that there's bullets that's added on top of them. So you can go around and then you can press tab to actually go around further, press tab again, and it goes around further for this sub bullet list right there. You can click on this icon to decrease the indent, as you can see right here, and you can go around, decrease the indent over there as well. So just like that, that is how you can work around with the bullet list indent. So now if you want to change the style of the bullet list, you can go around onto bullet list right here, change this around, and you can see that the style of the bullet list has been changed. You can go around, click on this one as well, click on this one, and you can see that the style of the bullet list changes out once you click on them. Then you can go over here on in the beginning where there's numbered list. So you can click on this and there's numbers, as you can see, that has been applied. You can press tab and you can see that there's a sublist applied onto that. Press tab and sublist is applied, as you can see. So you can go around, and that is how you can create sublists as well. So you can go around over here and click on this one to indent it back. You want to change the style of the list, you can go around and choose this one, and you can see that the format changes out. You can click on that one and the format changes out. You can click on this one, the format changes out. Click on this one, the format changes out. This one, the format changes out, just like that. And that is how you can work around with numbered and bulleted lists inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.